Guys, I will briefly show you this media converter without tests, because I'm returning this. Why, I will tell you soon. So I will just show you things that you probably don't see anywhere else, like me, before I bought it. So this is the front panel. If you remove this plastic stuff, you will see a cage for SPF Plus, of course. So, and this deep switches, I'm not sure for what purpose, because the papers that comes with the unit are useless. It's just declaration conformity, and here's some safety stuff that no one usually read, right? So probably it's about power 1 on, power 2 on, off, because on another model that I'm going to order, they used for different things. So, and the main point that you probably cannot find anywhere else is about this socket, what it is and how to connect power. Even TRENDnet support didn't reply me about it. Yeah, support nowadays after ChatGPT, guys, pretty useless everywhere, including them. Yeah, almost no support. So this is the power 1, the power 2, and some alarm stuff. And if you want to go do it yourself or go with the standard solution like this DC jack, you can use that part. So that is from Mauser. You can see part numbers I will put in the description probably, if I remember. And this is from DGK, the same one. And you have other do-it-yourself stuff for this connector. I don't remember the name, but from that part number you can find the name of this connector. In that case, you can connect it here easy, and from DC jack you can do pretty anything. So any wiring you wish. So why I'm returning this? Because look at this label, by the way, if you want to see, 4857 VDC. I expected from 12, the range from 12 volts, as mentioned for another model. And for this model in the description on Amazon, there was zero information about power input. I suppose that it will be the same wide range. Why I wanted, well, you can see in my video where I cover this media converter and some others. I will put the link in the description. If I am not, remind me in comments or just check the playlist with this video. And here I think that's all. So I'm going to return. That's why you can ask me something if I remember, but I will not have this unit anymore. So I don't know all things about it. Made in Taiwan, by the way. Subscribe, like. See you. Bye.